Congrats, Santhosh, for your success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, what's your education and where are you from?
I am from Odisha.
Okay.
And my last education is MCA.
Okay, you have passed out?
2016 July.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where you have completed your MCA?
YYVEC University, Odisha.
Okay. What were you doing all these years, Santhosh?
Nothing, sir. After completion my MCA, I have going and joining a GIS company.
GIS, Google Maps.
Google Maps.
Okay.
And then I thought that I am from IT background.
Okay.
So then I thought I will go better to go in IT background.
Okay.
That's why I searched for more courses and I searched BRN.
Okay.
And yes.
Okay, have you ever expected this success?
No, sir, because in this means there is very less time in 4 months and 5 months training and getting this much package. It's a very nice thing.
Okay. So, first day of Santhosh and till today, what kind of change that you have been observing yourself?
That Santhosh is a non-technical.
Okay.
And now it's a fully technical and
Okay.
fully professional.
Okay. So, how you got this BRN?
From internet, sir.
Okay. So, did you expect, right after 4 months of training, did you expected this much of, job and success?
No, actually, but from starting I came from learning the language.
Okay.
Then after 2 months, then I got the it's coming automatically. Then we can do it and we can crack a interview and we can join in good company.
Okay.
So after when you are coming for doing this course,
Okay.
after completing 2 or 3 months,
Okay.
automatically it's coming.
Okay. What is the difference between normal trainings and BRN training?
Normal training centers, they are not giving you personal computers,
Okay.
dedicated systems,
Okay.
and also Sir is there for assistant.
Okay.
So whenever you are doing practicals and whenever you are getting any doubt or anything,
Okay.
you can ask Sir.
Okay.
Because there is a person who can solve your problems when you are getting it.
Okay.
So this is a good thing actually.
Okay. Before joining BRN, definitely you must be having some doubt whether you will get a job or not, because already you got a career gap.
Yes, sir.
Okay, definitely you must be getting this.
Yeah.
How did you trust BRN?
Because BRN means I already see the success stories.
Okay.
And then I thought job guidance is very better is here.
Okay.
So you and Manjana sir all are giving how to go to the internet and how to search for companies and how to apply.
Okay.
And how to crack, everything is there.
Okay. Okay. So you might have seen a lot of success stories on
Yes,
YouTube.
sir.
Now your success story is going to be on
Yeah.
YouTube. How do you feel now?
I'm feeling very glad and now it's something different. Means after getting job, the feelings is something different.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
Means only one thing: don't go for a different or any kind of institute. Just focused in which language you have to go.
Okay.
Then come here. Here is totally dedicated system is here.
Okay.
Dedicated teachers are also there.
Okay.
And also there is some assistant professor also for practical sessions.
Okay.
So you can get more knowledge and more practical experience also.
Okay.
Which is the more important. Practical experience is the more important thing here.
Okay.
So this is the thing.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.